Welcome to my channel Phi Concepts CHM. This is the fifth part of the series on elasticity, where we will see one more relation between the elastic constants. 9 by y is equal to 1 by k plus 3 by eta, and sigma is equal to 3k minus 2 sigma upon 6k plus 2 eta. Now we will derive these two formulas. We will use the equation 10 which we had derived in the earlier video, that is sigma is equal to y by 2 eta minus 1. We will substitute this value in the equation 5 that also we had got in the earlier video. The equation was y is equal to 3k into 1 minus 2 sigma. So there we will substitute this sigma. So that is y is equal to 3k into 1 minus 2y upon 2 eta plus 2. Here 2 plus 1 will become 3 and this 2 will get cancelled out. So you get y is equal to 3k into 3 minus y upon sigma eta. Opening these brackets, so this will be 3k into 3 will become 9k and this is 3k into y upon eta. We will take this term on the other side, so that will be y plus 3k y upon eta is equal to 9k. Now we will take here y common, so y is kept outside. In the bracket we have 1 plus 3k by eta and this is equal to 9k. We can take y on the other side, so y is taken here on the other side in the denominator. Now we will divide this equation throughout by k, so we get 1 upon k, here k will get cancelled out. So what remains is 3 by eta, and here also the k will get cancelled out. What remains is 9 by y. Rearranging this equation, you get the formula 9 by y is equal to 1 upon k plus 3 by eta. So this is what we have derived, this formula. We will write down again equation number 5 and 10. Y is equal to 3k into 1 minus 2 sigma and y is equal to 2 eta into 1 plus sigma. We will equate both these equations, so both are equated, and we will open up the brackets. So this will be 3k into 1 is 3k, 3k into 2 sigma is minus 6k sigma. Here 2 eta into 1 is 2 eta and 2 eta into sigma is 2 eta sigma. We will take the terms in sigma on the other side. So 2 sigma plus 6k sigma, this term is taken on the other side, and this 2 eta is taken on the other side. So here on the left hand side we have 3k minus 2 sigma. We will take sigma here common, so sigma into 2 eta plus 6k. Again we will rearrange this equation. We get sigma is equal to 3k minus 2 sigma upon 6k plus 2 sigma. So this is the second formula that we have derived. So if any of the two constants are experimentally determined, then the remaining two constants can be found. So we have seen 3 videos in all where we have seen the relation between the elastic constants. Thank you for watching this video.